What is up, people? Welcome back. And if you want to create a Android game, or if you are a game developer, you must be need to Unity. So let's begin. How to install Unity and how to set up it in your PC. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any kind of browser in your PC. So I just open my Chrome browser on my PC and just go on to search bar and type for that Unity. After type Unity, then search it. Simply search it and you get this option, Unity real-time developer platform. So you just need to open the first link in your okay. After that, what should you do? You just need to go developer tools, or you just need to go on developer tools on the job. After that, you can see download and Rails option. There you can see, so just select it, then scroll down and you can see option download Unity Hub. So just select on download Unity Hub. After that, you can get this option download for Windows, and if you are not Windows, if you have other versions, select other version. So I have Windows, for that I select download for Windows. Then you can see download already started. Now I just go on download option. So there you can see I already downloaded it here before. So I just open it, go double click on this, then you need to select yes. Okay, now you can read all agreement, license agreement, you can read it carefully, and after that select I agree. Then you can select, you can change your folder program. So after that I select install. So already started installing, just need to wait. Okay, then you need to select finish it. Okay, now there you can see this is Unity Hub. So just open it. Hello. Okay, now you need to sign in. If you have ID, you can sign in, or if you don't have any account, you just need to create an account. So for that, you just go on create account. Just type your email, password, username, full name.